Good day, everyone. This is our instructional material. Guidelines for teaching using Internet. 1. Use short videos with clear voice and easy to understand. 2. Tell the topic before watching. 3. Pause the video to explain or ask questions. 4. Let students answer aloud to check their understanding. 5. Replay parts that show how to solve problems. 6. After watching, give the activity to practice what they learned. 7. End with a short review or ask students to share answers. Principles for teaching using Internet. 1. Use videos that show step-by-step solving. 2. Start with small numbers 1 to 10. 3. Teach addition first, then subtraction. 4. Ask students if they understood and got the correct answers. 5. Give praise and help when they make mistakes. 6. Make sure the video and activity match the learner's age level. 7. Let students watch again if they need more help.
Good morning, children!
Good morning, sir!
Stop. So, may activity kita subong, pero ang atong gamiton is through internet. Malandaw kita sa YouTube kung paano mag-add kag mag-subtract. So, mamati ka mga kaya after this, ma-quiz ta to evaluate kung meron ka mo or wala. So, start na ha?
Okay, sir.
Paano ko na mag-add kag subtract? 5 ka flowers. Seven na flowers. Yaki meron sa 5, tapos may gadgets ang duwaya ka friend, sa duwa ka flowers niya friend. Sabihin mo siya nga?
7!
Very good! Hello, great sila! So may 8 cars naman daw. So, meron siya 8 cars, I mean, tapos may baka siya ng 4. Pila ko na tayo total?
12!
Very good! Yeah! Laro ko naman, magbasa dyan, diba? 6 minus 2.
4!
Ano? Grabe yun, ito ba? If may 10, ano ka balon? Tapos, ang 3, naglupok, pila bilhin?
7!
Grabe, gusto na yan! Perfect ang bulangas! So, please clap your hands para sa inyong alamig na performance. Now, subong, huwa ka mo sa inyong papel kay ma-answer kita. So, paano magin? Guys, go! Look, good job. Number 1. 1 plus 3. Number 2. 2 plus 4. Tubo na yan, sir nyo ha. Kami makita ko saan nila. Alam mo yung nasanto eh. Number 3. Tapos sama?
Yes, sir!
Number 3. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, guys. Wala na, sig! So now, please pass your paper. Okay. So, pagpasa ko nga na quiz.
Yes, sir!
Diba? So, kita ko sa quiz, chikahan ko na lang tapos balik ko na lang sa inyo next meeting. Tagay sa Grabe ka, very good.